The government and ruling party will convene a meeting at the National Assembly on Wednesday to discuss ways to protect teachers' rights, an issue that has come to the forefront in recent days.
최근 교권보호가 시급하다는 목소리가 커지면서 당정은 오는 26일 국회에서 당정협의회를 열고 교권보호 대책을 논의하기로 했습니다. 자, they're going to meet. That's another way of saying it. But this is too casual. We wouldn't say in the headlines, the government and ruling party are going to meet.
No, we wouldn't say it like that.
No. It says convene a meeting.
Convene a meeting, we could say hold a meeting, or we could say they've called a meeting, for example. So convene just means to meet, like to hold a meeting.
Yeah.
So sometimes you'll say you're at you're having a conference or a workshop and it's time for lunch.
Yeah.
You might say, okay, let's have lunch and let's reconvene at 1:30, for example.
그래요. 회사에서 회의할 때 많이 쓰는 표현입니다. 우리 다시 이따가 만나서 일단은 식사를 하고요. 그 다음에 회의를 이어갑시다. Let's reconvene after lunch or dinner, whatever it might be. So yeah.
If it's a late meeting,
Exactly. I was thinking after dinner.
I guess you could though.
Yeah, exactly.
Sometimes
you could.
with big lawsuits or court cases, sometimes.
Maybe even breakfast. Who knows? If you go to work super early, like us. 그래서 convene, it's a very formal expression, but it is used almost as a set phrase to convene a meeting.
Exactly.
So memorize those together. The next one is an issue that has come to the forefront.
That means this issue is getting a lot of attention.
Yeah.
It's become important and it's a much talked about issue.
It's not in the background anymore.
No, right.
It's now everyone is talking about
It's front
it.
and center.
Yeah.
It's in the spotlight.
주목받다, 화제가 되다 라는 의미가 되겠습니다. front라는 단어가 들어있죠. So if something, an issue, comes to the forefront, it is talked about a lot.